I Thursday, me talk to you know, my people. Thursday, me talk to you. And today is Saturday. And what a ribambamba ye. All us brought down pan twin man. All us brought down pan twin man, you know. Yo. Me not even done talk good, but come on, people. Why everybody acting so surprised? Everybody act surprised, and Jesus Christ, I can't believe all this and that. I know people don't be one, and the list is a long list. The list is a long list. This is always happen. Too much highlight always bring dislike. Too much. Too much highlight. And when people feel like there is money involved. Because I'm going to tell you one thing. Twin man, I tell you, work on your talent with you and your brother. You can sing. Remember you was living and you're still living and you will live after all of this. Because people will make it look like say, them do for you and not you do for them. That is how manipulative people are. An ungrateful person never see where they wrong it. They never see where they wrong it. They always look to blame somebody else. And when I tell people and people are come talk about how people head not right and people them not so good up here, so them fucking good. Me can tell you that. The duntest man never tell us him can't count yet. He might can't read. But remember, them don't make mistake when it come on to money. Remember the microwave? Remember the microwave saga? Remember when Spice birthday? Remember last year, August, this is soon 1 year now. Next week, I'm going to make 1 year. Since this upper Mascam saga, when Candy come out and come say she work a Spice show and don't get no money and Spice for give her money because people go tell her say she make Spice stage show nice and she make Spice birthday ram and she make everything happen. Same people them give her supplement for drink and boots her up say Spice war and the people them ready on the internet and I say Spice a wicked how Spice but the girl and so she stay and all them always hear say Spice no pay people and them for pay the girl and then these people them come out and say them ask Spice for go. Uno no member? Since you no forgot, I give you the next reminder again. Pampute, you're my boss. I mean, I never did say I'm a boss. Pampute, you're my boss. Pampute, you're my boss. And then me just one day, me just go to my mama say, me want Brazil mother, you know. Me want Brazil mother. When me want Brazil mother, me want her before everything, you know. And she talk it all the while, so Richie feeling to tell me, you know. Me want her all of a sudden, me just hear. She kept microwave. Every day me ask her for the microwave. She tell me about she soon go up there and see it the ray. And all of a sudden one microwave mash up everything. One microwave till me hear say, people, I'm a manager this and him a book for me and him a book for me. And she a book for me and them a book for me and all of everything. So right now, I'm surprised the Rose of a manager. On a shock. The That's why me tell you, say, don't mix entertainment with sarifa. Entertainers and sarifa and beggars is two different things. You understand? Sarifa different from love. You understand? So, when you hear me up on the live, I mean, I tell Twin Man, say, Twin Man, focus on yourself, because this, you soon hear, say, you're a robber, and you soon hear. Can you remember this, you know? Only don't know what caused the problem. I bet say none of you can tell me what caused the problem. I make the whole of this happen. Bet say none of you can tell me what caused the problem with Rose and Twin Man. I bet say you can't tell me. Nobody can tell me. But like how you can't tell me right now, I go and tell you now. A Sandokan stove. And the stove, when lava send Sandokan, cause all of this. Just like how a microwave cause the mix up with pampute, is Sandokan stove. Sandokan stove cause all of this. Remember, Sandokan get a stove and him say big up lava for the stove. Remember, and the stove, when? I must say Thursday the stove come out on the internet and say the stove reach. One stove. One stove cause all of this. Because remember, say like how Sandokan get stove, that means that Twin Man get stove and fan and AC and everything. So that means that Twin Man a thief roast stove. That means that Twin Man get the stove and get microwave and get a whole kitchen. And he don't give Rose no stove. But me no hear nobody a say Twin Man take her and go do her ear. Twin Man carry how much bag of grocery go give her. Twin Man give her how much things. Me no hear nobody a say that. All me hear say Twin Man a robber and Twin Man a say. So if Twin Man come out and say him boss you, that was just something for us to make everything talk. Eh? That was just something to get everything for talk. Because if somebody say them boss me have to look at myself and say, oh, me not been hungry, me here not do all long. No care who they say them like me, never did that do me here. Me head dry one cream. And Twin Man come take me and carry me here just and do me here. Remember she and Twin Man me see in a place, you know. That's why me tell you in a people, boy, you're wicked, you know. Me tell you in a people. Me tell you, you know. Because remember, me not true, me never follow up everything. See it there? Somebody I say Rose get 50 grand and I say 3 grand she get. See it there? See it? People just look at it now, man. The people ever real. That's why I'm telling you, say people. It can't stop happening because that's how we take on. Remember, say I'm Mobile time now. Because remember, we get the tone segment. So now, we have the Mobile segment now. See? We have the Mobile segment. It's just like when Bada Cat and Film Virgin did a go and good and everything. And remember, say money come into play now because them get one silver something. Subscribers. If you have over 100,000 subscribers, you get your little silver star. So them get them silver star and it start have a problem. You start here say man wear man shirt. And you start here say man wear this, so you start here. It always be the Jesus. It always be this. These the germs. Always be the germs. You see this is not evil. Don't make nobody tell us that money is the root of all evil. Money show you people true colors. I'm going to remind you again of another story. You remember the $2 million where the girl from down at the place get where did have 4 picnic and she say a 3 she have? You remember how them colors just come out bright and beautiful like when you wash clothes with bleach and put it for soak for a couple of days, rub it up with blue bomber. Eh? Money is not evil. Money show your true colors. Money not evil. Because if money did evil, we would have stayed far from money. So money not evil. You understand? So nobody not feel upset in them spirit and feel away. We have to just know, say, I saw life go. Remember the word? Alright. The can of realm was open when Trishana get $2 million. Because a girl where work all the day her life, she work from how much she hold and she not get $2 million. Right? And she see one girl come out and hide on her pitney and show us her tree she have and show you one part and say that's how she live and show you everything. I remember say when she say she want her money and then I say you go get your money, she don't want but on the house and she say she have one stall and she have 6 banana on the stall and she have 7 apple and she have 2 orange and she have 1 fab soap and she have 2 lasco and she have 1 cream crackers and she have a tin of sardine and 1 mackerel and she have one of every item and say she have her style. Yes, so on the $2 million go. Eh? On the saws it. So no can come and feel no way now yourself. You understand? No feel no way. It's a good church here there. Good church here say I want drink and left juice. But I don't remember the drink and left juice. I forgot all that. I forgot the drink and left juice. I forgot the drink and left juice. Good shot. So now that me I say. You understand? So now twin man, I say somebody sending over pink wall as a sending words of encouragement theme. Of course. Sending words of encouragement theme. Everybody will over here to follow him and encourage him to sing more. Encourage him to sing more. You understand? Because the youth is very emotional. Because I guess so. Him know him do it from him heart and then make him cry. You understand? And I know that feeling there. So everybody does send him words of encouragement. See? Rose, big up yourself, Rose. Big up yourself. We're not going to miss you. It was nice seeing you, but we're not going to miss you, Rose. We used to people like you. Bye-bye, Rose. Sayonara. Au revoir. Good riddance. We used to your Rose. Bye-bye. Bye. So nobody believe say we are going to come cuss and we are going to done Rose and we are going to talk. No. We not done Rose. We not do it. Good seeing you, Rose. It was nice. It was nice. And for all of you, we had done her talk about how she want 2 Brazil and she want this and she want that. Nobody got done her now. Because most of the time the people are going to see it. And the Rose are going to see it. Because remember say all of the people are read for Rose. Remember say Rose can't to read. You understand? I may understand how to feel somehow angry because of how people are telling her what to say. You understand? People are telling her what to say. I may understand all of that. One stove where Sandra can get. Me know say the stove did go cause problem. Me know the stove did go cause problem. Me know I saw it always go. Stove and microwave cause problem. Me don't want nobody give me a stove. I don't want nobody give me a microwave. It go cause problem. I don't want anybody give me a stove and a microwave. So Sandra can get the stove everywhere, get busy. Because But here when me tell you how people stay. Let me tell you what them tell Rose. I tell you what them tell Rose. Them say, Rose, you idiot. Twin man I make big money off of you. And him a give you when feel like to give you. You idiot, Rose. Remember saying no boy your twin man come from, you know. You idiot, girl. Eh? You just say I use twin man, I use your twin man want style you. Eh? And I walk and tell people about him boss your Rose. Rose, I want to hear Rose. Stop one like you idiot. How we if you run your thing, Rose? Your community, if you run your thing. How we, anybody want to send money come? Remember say no. Remember Shante. I remember one other girl who did the bandana program at the same thing. Remember my girl got some she name. Not Shante, but another one name. And she tell Dana say she run Dana program and she the star of the program. And she don't want nobody collect the money for her. And all 3 times a week she go to Dana and say, so what? The money don't come from the donors them. Dana I want to collect my money myself. Remember Dana, I watch Dana get work for her report more. I watch Dana make she get this, she get washing machine, she get bed, she get stove, she get fridge, she get pot, she get spoon, she get everything. And all of a sudden, she started telling Dana say she make Dana program at. And if I know she, Dana program flop. Sharika. Then a good as Sharika. Good as Sharika man say she run Dana program. And see it there, Dana program still a go on because people are like get all $2 million for Dana program. Dana bill all how much house. How much house Dana bill. I'm gonna say Sharika. So see it there, twin man just buy Rose kids them school clothes. See it there? Boy, me I tell you, if ungrateful was a person, God pit me. If ungrateful was a person, me didn't know. Me didn't know. The root of all evil is people. It's not the money. The root of all evil is people. Don't feel bad, twin man. Don't feel bad. Nobody got your brother ball pound on one another shoulder. You don't do nothing wrong. You don't do nothing wrong. You don't do anything wrong. People tell twin man saying that do nothing wrong. I saw it go. It could have reached me. It could have reached you. It could have reached anybody. Because when you have a kind of willingness, when it's coming in from a good place, trust me, it can happen to anybody. Because you see a person, just through your go so with your finger so twin man. Because me could have go so with my finger too and do it at town and cast up my eyes so I say, when I look in your eyes, and see, me could have do that too. All of we could have do it. All of we could have do it. I could have do my finger so. All of we could have do it. I could have do it. I could have done it. So, we will see it on the star if the wedding when them say them it have to happen. A big request goes out to Charmaine. Yeah. We have a safe wedding never go on. Because one thing me know. You have to get the rice if you go and throw rice away. Your money buy the rice. Rika, you know left me long time and move on with the life. Where you want over here? People that talk about you throw white rice at wedding. First you're going to need clothes. So everybody, remember this, let me tell you all the people them. Jumpy. I won't ever fool them fooling her. Jumpy them jumpy. Can't watch this now. Classy Diamond. I remember one time, one of those dentists offered Gollibop to fix his mouth. When they offered Gollibop to fix his mouth, him said no, because his mouth would have fixed and him can't sing again. See? So, I believe, say for instance, till September, when things fully pick up back in our economy, when we think pick up back, I believe somebody would have offered to do Rose mouth. Because we all know that Rose mouth want to fix. We all knows that. But the people, them just look on people are foreign. We say, oh, them are going to send money. Oh, I say, I love Rose one more time. I want to send something come give Rose so them just feel like say twin man just a collect right through. And I give Rose where them feel like figure. So that depend them mind. Them nothing about the Rose mouth to fix. Them nothing about that. Cause remember me go man see Rose put up her face in the camera. And me see one teeth up at one part. So Rose have one teeth up at one part, 3 round at one part, 2 round at one part. Rose have been about 8 teeth. So about 8 teeth Rose have, and nobody don't want to say Rose mouth to fix. Nobody don't want to see that. Nobody now say make them get some little push up and make Rose breast them come up. Nobody now want to say that. Nobody now want to make them set Rose thing and get her some clothes to sit on her body. Nobody now want to see that. Everybody on go want to see the Jesus. Everybody just want to see the Jesus. Come me see a couple video where Rose tell her she don't eat from morning. Remember what me come here look on her page this morning and remember how she ball. Oh, Egbert, Peter and thump her up in her head and she want pill. And when the people them say, you want the pill and she ball out, Egbert beat me. Move your blood clot, you are Egbert and Pegbert and Kegbert. Twin man we are run with. That's how the internet stay. A twin man we are run with. So all of them hungry, the way your blood clot used to ball say you're hungry. Try and make sure say your manager and your people them will love you. Take care of you and do everything right for you. I wish you nothing but the best in life for the next career where you have, because you never have none from morning. You think it's a blood clot this a career? You think that this a career? When I'll kill you, you think that a blood clot career? Me can't do that. Nobody not pay for that. When I'll kill you, I tell him that. Move on a blood clot. Twin man can sing. Twin man can sing. So all who have blood clot talk about manager and warrior from warrior. One stove mash up this blood clot. One stove. And me no want to hear say, twin man me apologize to you, I'm sorry. Me no want to hear that, but twin man I apologize. Me not look for the apology. The China said it come because we don't want it. Me I make sure tell twin man from now, we don't want the apology. And not every sorry is sorry. Sorry is just a sorry word. Me no want to hear it. Me no know twin man from a can of paint. Me no know him. Him say I'm a triplet. Say a 3 brother of them. And one of them no love the camera and 2 love the camera. Remember I follow me, I follow them. Right? And him come on and him we see I do the macro or the something and think. I remember say some other people did have her on a phone first. And then them build about 4 page. And then 4 page they get liquid. Then some other people be, and then when twin man go buy her the food, when twin man goes up and start go like her, twin man taking money out of him pocket. Twin man taking money out of him pocket and drive go look for her which part she live. Because remember I know which part she live, you know. Remember I know which part she live. Right, Mika? 1 stove and a fan. Mash up twin man and Rose. 1 stove and a fan. See it you know? 1 microwave mash up Barbara and Pampute. 1 microwave mash up Barbara and Pampute. No 1 stove. People, stop sending appliance and foreign. Oh no, stop sending appliance and foreign to people. Stop it. Oh no, stop it. When you send the appliance them from foreign, it a mash up relationship, it a mash up good people life. Stop sending appliance and foreign. Better you send barrel with cornflakes and fruity loops and fruity pebbles and Cheerios. I better you send them something. The silly rabbits tricks are for kids. I better you send them there. I want to send stove and microwave and them something there. It a mash up Jamaica. Me no want it. Me don't want to send me no appliance and foreign. Don't leave me alone. Wanna mash up my life. Don't send me nothing. And rascal, me forgot to talk. Good for tell me flawless. Remember say Lasco I mash up things too. Cause remember say me say the woman thief to Lasco. And all of a sudden, everybody come out and tell you how them a good person and how them this and how them that and she thief to Lasco and get everything. So if them go thief a patty or a cocoa bread, if them go get things, would I go get a person and girl have a fuck or no? Would I go get a person? Hey, let me tell you no. You see when Missy Rose goes to a man come out saying, blood clot body can't tell me how to live my life. Nobody can tell me how to live my life. Because them can't tell me if I left blood clot stand up can. Them can't tell me if I left Egbert. Them can't tell me, because be people that tell us to leave Egbert alone. And she be there with Sandokan. She said she don't want blood clot Sandokan. Egbert, she want to thump her down and a box her down and a kick her down. Me see all one video where Egbert take her phone from her and take out the chip and get the chip and hold the phone. So Egbert a manipulator and a deal. The only thing is Egbert a madman. Egbert box down Rose. You see all when time she not have no money for give him. Bumbo clot, Rose, you're done. Because you see, when you look at Egbert when I leak you see they go say when I go bomb in the air and thump in the air and swell it up. And everybody got video when they swell it up. And nobody in Jamaica now go sorry for you. Nobody can remember say Egbert tell us say I want you. Board it up. Board it up. When you hear him say board it up, blood clot. Anytime you hear him say board it up, when them say, yo, let me talk to Egbert there. And him say board it up. Anytime him come say board it up. Sandokan a nice youth. Sandokan a come sing love song. Who never say Egbert a sing it? Who never say Egbert a sing it? Sandokan sing everything. Sandokan can sing. And he sing out him heart for Rose and ball. The man come out from the newspaper, come out from TV, come ball for Rose. Rose don't want a man ball for she want ball for man. She want ball for man. Me say from me see she goes over man say nobody can tell me how to live my life. And can't tell me if I left Egbert a blood clot. Nobody can tell me that. Me say Jesus Christ, the twin man for exit here. I see the twin man and I they are blood clot. You're just a shop, you know. And them a fix her ear for her, you know. I see them a start out Rose here, you know. And not even 24-hour Rose come and lick twin man chip, you know. You bust me, twin man. You bust me. When I me bust you, which part of you bust me? You hurt my heart and break my heart. You broke my heart and break my heart. You twin man, you broke my heart. You broke my heart and break my heart. You twin man, broke my heart and break my heart. I'm have to talk it truth. I have to talk it truth. I have to talk it truth. I have to talk it truth. You broke my heart, twin man, and break my heart. I have to talk. I broke my family heart too. You break everybody heart. Everybody heart you break. That's what I tell you. So if you run, go believe in a high water. Because some high water lie water. You see it? How you feel? See them people and flanker people. Only know me not tell a lie. Only know hate me. Remember me just talk it truth. I have to talk it truth. I don't blame none of them down there. I talk about twin man and Egbert and Rose. Sandokan got the stove. Like you just join in, Karen. Karen, I said from Sandokan got the stove, all hell broke loose. It back it short. Sandokan deserve the stove and more. But some people think say them forget AC too. You understand? So, I'm just saying, when Rosa cuss twin man, she shouldn't do that. She can't do that. She can't do that. Let me tell you how me realize that story ago. Rose don't know her thing. When Rose hungry, she find Sandokan. When Rose have a piece of money, she find expert. Because expert say, oh, you don't get no money, and beat her up. And she got Sandokan, and Sandokan no kick her, Sandokan love her for real. While you have expert, love the hype. You understand? He loves when the camera is on him. He love the spotlight. You understand? And it look like say, expert younger than Rose. So Rose was a young boy in her front. And she said, me am her front. And Sandokan eat her front. Only things nobody tell her that. She know what she has said. Sandokan name Rose front. And Rose name back. When name expert name her and she name back. The two of them. Remember 8 teeth Rose have eaten up. So nobody make it look like we don't know where I go on. You understand? So she have to talk it short. So when you not eat by expert, don't eat by egg. Have a little yam in them. Some of them have a renta yam, some of them are dasheen, some of them are pum pum yam, some of them are St. Vincent yam. But somebody, son, have them and spin them like a gig. Somebody. You understand? So me just tell you no. We don't have to beat Rose. Because Rose know exactly what she doing. What good for the goose can't good for the gander. You understand? Because me no say, in my right mind, love can't go and no wholesale, love can't go and no shop, look Rose, love can't go. We never see when Rose a smoke cigarette yet. Not even cigarette Rose can't ever smoke good. You understand? So, we're going to watch it play out. Remember, front page of Star this coming up. Egbert and Rose are got married. When I look in your eye. You understand? So, on the next episode of Rose and Sandokan. Sandokan, him soon see back Rose. Because Rose look like she love walk. Because when hungry liquor, she walk. You understand? And remember say Rose so in love. And when name Sandokan so in love. That's not care what we do. We have to just love people. Because that's so we have all a woman. Remember a man we name now. We have a girl we take with feed that all never tell we left the girl. You have blood clot that you deserve better. Left her. Leave her. Richie, what you do with that woman? They left that woman there alone, Richie. And what's about she? Richie, I'm willing to forget everything, Richie. Make your house, land, car, van, everything. You need better. You need a woman for take care. You need a woman for love you, for you. Hear me? Blood clot, girl, where you feel like you can come blood clot run my life. Eh? You can come run my life, girl. Eh? Move your blood clot. You can't leave me a blood clot load and see me run down the girl here and call the girl. Chudy. I call Chudy. Chudy, come here now. Here, Chudy. What the blood clot you want? You say me you left, leave me alone and lick me chip. Hear me, I kill Chudy and kill myself. After me have good girl who want me to take care of me, you know. Me have good girl who want me to take care of me. Me gonna run back a blood clot Chudy, then me is a what? Then if woman I yam it, me a what? Well, tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. If woman I yam it, me a what? Well, even find a name for me. Me nah lie, find a name for me. What do you make up a name for me? Yam peel. Yamabella. Real cocoa. Yam bird. Potato. Yam foot. Pumpkin. Onion head. Wanna see it? It's goes both ways. Cause enough time some woman see good in a we, you know. But we now see the good in ourselves because we so busy want to make that person that we love change and be what we want them to be. Why them not mean we not good? Them busy have mash way up in life. And when them done we do know about our we start so we should have hear what Kerry say. We should have listened to Kerry, and we should have listened to Sasha, and we should have listened to Queenie, and we should have listened to everybody. Them done they too late because people are one a long time. Then the Rose have to find herself. Cause remember this, you know. Don't be surprised if twin man have a change of heart and go buy Rose more grocery, you know. I want to tell her that, you know. Cause remember so love going on. I so love going on. Don't be surprised. So even though we feel sorry for twin man, I say twin man, we hurt fear and thing. Twin man, we just get up a morning and go buy more grocery for Rose because remember say, as much as how him and Rose and a relative and him don't know Rose from nowhere, nobody no want to see nobody hungry. And all him say sever all ties. Him we buy her. Cause remember him and remember the youth, them and him going to start feel all guilty and I say people boots up Rose. And pity him not even blood clot no. So nobody boots up Rose. Rose drink her own a supplement. And break your heart and broke your heart. She have to tell the truth. When I look in your eye, you see the star. You understand? Some have to tell the truth. But have to tell the truth. Break my heart and broke my heart. Yay! Oh, you know what you? Oh, you know what you me attack? Listen me. Me don't want nobody come tell me about Rose have no Down syndrome, no up syndrome, no kind of syndrome. Me not care. Nothing of the Rose. Rose just can't read good. Rose just can't read good. But nothing of the Rose. Nothing down the Rose. I want to stop with that shit. I want to stop. Rose know exactly what she's doing. You understand? I don't know about to come with that. Stop it, man. That's how we stay when we love somebody. We have to tell our life for them. That's how we stay, you know. We try to make every excuse for a person when we love them. And when the truth is, we are and broke with heart and broke with heart. You understand? Because if you look back on the life, them were Rose do. Remember I said today when Rose go live, you know. Remember she did up twin man already, you know. And then she come back again, you know. Remember Rose do about 4 live, you know. See, she have the live where everybody have tell her what to say. And she have the another live when time she goes to mama and go on like. Because remember say, you know, Rose go on like she had a hearing. Rose not had a hearing. Rose hear what she want to hear. You understand? So, now I tell her, man, developed by Max, man. Break me heart, man, and broke me heart, man. She have to tell the truth. I have to tell the truth, people. I have to tell the truth.